Unobhala ke we-ANC kazolonke Fikile Mbalula uthi ke mengameli noma ke wayengumengameli phambili kwe-ANC ongumengameli ke manje we-MK Party Jacob Zuma ke unamanga lapha ke Mbalula usho nje i-ANC ibheke kwi-January 8 statement eKhayelitsha eWestern Cape Town. Mamele ke Mbalula uthi uZuma is a liar. Sure.
Zuma is a liar. There is a catalogue of lies he have made to South Africans. Go and look at them. He's a liar. Unreliable, self-serving. And I'm saying that. Go and look at that. There's a catalogue of the untruths he have said in this country. To the ANC and to everybody. He's a liar, unreliable, and at the same time irresponsible. And I've got a right to say that because he's not a member of the ANC. I've got a right to say that. He is irresponsible, a liar, and he is a liar. And if he says he's not a liar, he must tell us why he's not. We will throw the book at him. He's a liar. I mean, the fact that he can turn stones into bread is unbelievable, actually. That a person like Floyd, yesterday, who saw Zuma's lies and says today is not a liar, it's unbelievable, isn't it? It's unbelievable. It's unforgettable. It's unrepentable, actually. I mean, the guy was on a pulpit in Parliament, seeing Zuma's lies campaign, saw Zuma's untruths, and today, this is why people will never have trust in politicians. We have namhlanje rating also orange. I mean, that's what people will never trust our politics. Because politics must be defined by principle and a backbone. There's no backbone there. Tell me, where is the backbone there? There's no backbone there. There's untruths and everything else, people defending each other, making each other favors and all of that. It remains like that. And that is it. Thank you.